And welcome back to Grillerman's Garage with a secret undisclosed location in the backyard somewhere. Okay, it's been raining today on and off, but I did get some quick flights in. And everybody's been asking, why don't you do a comparison between the Fimi X8 Mini version 2 and the new Fimi Mini 3 SE? They both have the 1/2.5 stacked sensor. Wouldn't that be an obvious choice? Well, yeah, it would be, but I don't want to drag this on to be a 20-minute video. So what I did this morning, between the rain, but actually within the rain, I got them both up for a quick flight. What I did notice was that the version 2 has a little bit smaller field of view than the SE, okay? And I believe that the version 3 has a little bit less even. I also noticed that if you use the version 2 and you go into anything but 30 frames per second, it really crops in. Like you go 60 frames per second, it almost halves the field of view. It really does. When you go to 30 frames per second, it comes back out to normal. When you use the SE, nothing changes. Whether you go into 30 frames per second or its maximum 50 frames per second, everything remains the same. So I took them both up for a quick flight. Just a quick, let's get up, let's take a picture, let's take a couple of seconds of video at the same spot under virtually the same conditions. The lighting changed slightly, but you get the idea. And at the end, I'll put in the montage that has it all put together. Just a just a few quick seconds of it, okay? Then we'll come back and discuss, okay? Have a look. Here we go. You made it to the end. That wasn't too bad, was it? So we have the Fimi X8 Mini version 2 and the Fimi Mini 3 SE. Which did you like better? Okay, they went up almost at the same time. One might have had a little bit more wind, okay, but in the end, pretty darn close. Did this edge it out a little bit? Maybe, but pretty darn close. You can't buy these anymore, and if you can find them on the shelf, they're really expensive, okay? You might as well just go to the Fimi store on AliExpress or their store and get them for like $2.49, get a coupon, get them for $1.99, whatever. The version 3, the Mini 3, is $100 more. For the $100 more, you get a better camera, better stability, and that's about it, because all the functionality is still in this little guy here. All the app functions, all the orbits, all the follow me, all the waypoint missions, everything is built in here. The only difference basically is the camera, okay? And if for a travel drone that folds up really nice, USB-C charging, you can't beat it. Ever since it came out with the X8 Mini version 2, Fimi's hit a home run. A home run, the Mini 3, a home run, the SE, a home run. Very, very good. Also the X8 Tele, a home run. Very, very good drones. They came out and they kept the pricing down. Anyway, enough yammering. That's about it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, get out and get some fresh air. And I'll run that little clip at the end here, okay? Bye now.